Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can play the new Style Showdown game mode. It's not the new game mode, it's like the kind of like challenges are kind of new. So there are a bunch of them, and let's get started with the video with the first one. It's the mystery theme, so the words will be jumbled up and you kind of have to figure it out. It will unjumble itself as the time passes, but you have to kind of know what it is. So the first one, as you can see, it's jumbled up, but if you kind of jumble the words again, it's actually Earth style. So that's the first new kind of like challenge they throw out at you. The next one is called desaturate. So as you can see, the color begins to fade. So you kind of have to remember the color palette kind of to color everything. So basically just kind of remember like what color goes where for this one. I just think I was gingerbread fashion because I know where the like brown color is, like it's on the top right there. So that's the second one. Also, I forgot to mention that it does turn into color like one time again, and then it desaturates again. So the next one is inspired by Squid Games. It's the red light and green light. So when Lana says red light, you have to pause. I think you're allowed to click. You can't just, but you cannot move. I'm not sure though. I didn't really try it. Okay. So when it's green light, you move. When it's red light, the room will go red and you're not able to move here. If you get like lasered, I think you just like fall. I'm not sure actually what happens because I did it like at the end of the round. So let me know in the comment section down below what actually happens if you move and you get like lasered. Like, do you still play the round? I think you still do. The next one is Lana goes out to lunch, so you can't change your makeup, you can't change your hair, and you can't change your, I think there's nails here. I'm not sure. But basically, when you're in the lobby, just don't go bald first. I'd say just keep your hair before taking off. Well, I do just take off the outfit, but I still keep the hair in case this happens, because I went like full on bald in like in one round of Style Showdown before this one because I hadn't learned my lesson. So make sure you do that first. So just keep your hair in case this challenge gets thrown out to you. But those are the new like challenges they have on Style Showdown. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!